up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be unboxing my Jeffree Star Mystery Large Deluxe box. So if you're interested, keep watching. Alright, so here it is. I've never watched someone actually open this. I always open it off screen. So this is what the box looks like. He did a mystery Halloween box, so let's see what's inside. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, that's inside yet? Okay, so here we go. I'm so excited. So I am seeing this live action time as you are seeing this. Dun, dun, dun. Fuck yes. Pardon the language. Oh my god. Okay, so first I got a shirt. Remy, be quiet. Oh, hell yeah. Very Halloween-y. Jeffree Star, bitch. Yes. Holy shit balls. Oh my god. I got a full freaking palette. Are y'all serious right now? Oh my god. Alright, let's open it up. Dun, dun. Oh! Damn. Holy shit. Alright. Rami, I know you're excited too because mom's excited. Yes! And it's Halloween today, so like, could you imagine? Yes. Oh my god, super excited about that. This is the Bloodlust palette. I cannot believe I just got a full-size palette. Woo! Okay, that. And I also got the Gloss Candy Drip. Look at this packaging though. If you're not a Jeffree Star fan, you should be because his products are absolutely amazing. Let's just get a little swipe over here. What's going on with this gloss? I pulled it out the wrong way, sorry. Okay, hold on. Oh my god. Oh. Candy paint, oh my goodness. Ready? Let's just listen to the sound. Oh god, there's no better sound. Just kidding. The gloss. This one, Candy Drip. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh, a full freaking palette, you serious? All right, next. We've got, ooh, a beautiful lip pencil in Red Rum. I have seen this. I was gonna get this because who doesn't need a red lipstick? Why do I keep opening things from the bottom? Idiot. Oh my goodness gracious. Again, Jeffree Star with the packaging. Ridiculous. If I can get it. Oh, nice. There we go. Hold on, let me let Remy outside. Come on. All right, we're just gonna push it down. Oh shit. So beautiful. Look, this is how it's supposed to be when you pull it out, but I pulled it out terrible. So freaking cute. All right, Remy, shh. Oh my god, there's more. Okay, I got a little, I think it's a lip scrub. All right, back to what I was saying. Velour lip scrub. So fun. And pop this mofo open. Ooh. It's so dry right now too, so I'm super excited for that. Oh my god, there's more. This in, ooh, Designer Blood. Ooh, might be wearing this today. Okay, his liquid lipsticks, Velour liquid. Oh my, they're ridiculous. Oh yes. Oh my goodness. Didn't think you could fit so much excitement into one video, but you can. What the hell is this? Widow. Oh my god, is this black lipstick? A lip balm. Oh my god. That Ooh, looks like something from Austin Powers. Comment down below if you know what I'm talking about. Yes! Black freaking lipstick. That's what I'm talking about. All right, and then I also got Extreme Frost highlighting powder. What is this? It's too beautiful. I don't even want to open it. Look at that packaging. That is awesome. Wow, this was so fun. Okay, let's open this one because I've never seen this one before. First off, I mean, you guys, come on. What's going on here? Can you see it? Holy shit! Ah, beautiful. Look at this packaging for this one thing. I love it. That is artwork. All right, this one's called Gag Me. I mean, are you guys serious? Jeffree Star, bitch. Oh, so excited. Okay, good. So that is my little unboxing video. I worked a 12-hour shift last night, so my face is broken out like a motherfucker. But yes, here we go. But yes, that's the end of the video. Thanks for coming to watch. And yes, that was the Jeffree Star mystery box. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks, guys.